Class, on this week's discussion, we are told to give our views on the reasons why the JavaScript object notation is a popular format, and we are also told to state example of the public data source that uses this the JSON format. The JavaScript object notation is a standard text-based format for representing structured data based on JavaScript object notation. This is most preferred for the data interchange format and is used by sending data between the web servers, mobile web applications, and browsers. A practical example of this could be sending data from a server to a client to be displayed on a web page, or rather the client sending data to the server for the storage. One of the famous characteristic of the JavaScript object notation, the JSON, is it's a lightweight, as it is easy to use for humans to read, and it's also easy to write, as well as easy for machines to generate or pass. This makes JSON the most preferred data format for the most applications, compared to other data formats such as the extensible markup language, the XML. The JSON is faster as well, and it was been designed purposely for data interchange, and its encoding to tags therefore requires less bytes for transit. JSON is regarded as the standard globally recognized for sending data over servers, and with this reason, it has made it more popular and most preferred. Its simple design and its flexibility makes it easy to read and understand. Thus, leads one to be able to manipulate and in the programming language of their choice. That's according to JSON 2016. JSON supports different languages of that includes the string, number, array, and boolean, and this greatly supports the developers when working on different data types. JSON data is always readily accessible and does not need to be parsed during reading. This is an important aspect, especially for the cross-site requests as well as different programming. In conclusion, I can say that the JSON data has been there for a long while and still be a long way to go, since it has a large community as well as its own revised, as well as it's being revised over and over to take in changes in the new technologies and rising needs. Thank you.